We find jobs for people. We find jobs for people on a temporary basis and on a permanent placement. Robert Half is a specialized staffing company. And what I mean by that is we have specific practice areas that we staff for, and that's it. We're specific into the space of finance and accounting, for instance, or IT, or legal, or marketing and creative. Don Abbey, Senior Director of Compensation. Directly before we bought Varicent, we had a homegrown solution in PeopleSoft that was built. One, I don't think it was scalable anymore. And two, I think we were moving to a different version of PeopleSoft, and so they took the opportunity at that time to get an incentive comp system. Do they listen to the clients? Most of the other competitors at the time that I did the RFP in 2020 did not. And then finally, it's how is the relationship? What is the customer relationship about? Because that's key to everything. But it's all of those other pieces that make all the difference in the world. It was more flexible, more agile. It was not part of a human capital system, which was what PeopleSoft was. It was its own system. So I think that made it a better solution for our company. And I think that was the other piece that also made it beneficial back when we implemented 11, 12 years ago, was we didn't need IT anymore. It was all self-sustained within our group. I have not been disappointed at all at the customer service. Any time that we've had any type of challenge that I've been involved in, I've never had a problem at all. Ultimately, long term, I can see us on one platform in one country to do all of it. So I'm very excited at the abilities, because what I want is soup to nuts, start to finish with Varicent.